Okay, so we finished our form. We're going to import the file J216 rating CSV as a new table in your database. Activity rating is the primary key. Create one-to-many relationships. I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So there we go. What are we going to do? We get external data, text file, browse, go to your folder, and desktop, and let's go and look for it. It's ratings, click on it, open, okay, delimited, next, comma, first row contains field names. You guys are going to forget it. At least some of you are. And choose my own primary key. And look there, put activity rating immediately as the correct one, like they tell you. And finish. Okay. And close. So there it is. There's your rating one. You quickly can go over. Look at it. Numbers. You can see text. So you can quickly go view, design view, numbers, text. So you know it's fine. Okay. And keyboard hitting save button. You've done something. Go back to your home and click on forms. So what's the next thing they want us to do? Create a one-to-many relationship. Okay. Go to your database. It's quite easy. It's telling you to create. Let's go see relationships. They will go in somewhere over here. Data. There it is. Okay. Data sheets. Relationships. How does the relationship work? You look at this heading. Can you see the 80 sports? Then you go to all your other tables. If there were more tables, you'll go and look at, see if there's any field names that are linked to this heading. No, they're none yet. So you look at this heading, ratings, anything called ratings here. And you go down, you see, yes, there is. So then you take the key, and you want to unlock ratings, and you drag the key across. There's your one-to-many. You take your screenshot, okay, and then you only click create. And you take your evidence, okay, and you put it where they want it. Where do they want it? Oh, yeah, I'll put it there. There it is, okay? So there it is. Okay, so you've put your screenshot in, you've pasted it, and let's get going, okay? So there's your relationship. You can save it, and then you can close it, okay? And because you've done something, save your work. So there you've done your relationship. Quite easy, okay? We're going to go now here, using fields from both the sports and the ratings table, produce a report. Before you do a report, you're going to do a query. Okay, contains a new field. Query shows only the records. Query shows only the fields. Can you see there? Field, records, fields. Sorts the data. All that's in your query because you can't do it on your report. Once it's printed, you can't put a new field in. You can't put criteria in. You can't change the fields, and you can't sort the data. Page orientation landscape, report, single page wide report, calculates. When you see the word calculates at the beginning of the sentence, remember it belongs to your report, okay? Calculate equals report, remember that. Label, report, title, report, name and number, okay? It's quite easy. So, you're going to go there, you're going to click on create. I'm going to go quite quick, otherwise it's going to take a long time. Hold down shift, click in there, add both tables, close. You see the relationships here. Make it bigger so you can see all the field names here. Click on there. Go down to the duration. Drag it in. Okay. Click on there. Hold down shift. Grab there. Drag it in. There they all are. Okay. It says in your paper, if you've got your paper next to you, it wants a new field called daily cost. You go to bold. Okay. You go look for your table name. There it is, 10C. So you come look here, 10C. Once you found it, go to tables. We know they want this one, and they want course cost divided by. Can you see what divided sign looks like? If it's not up here, go look on your keyboard, okay, for that sign, okay, divided by duration, okay. Then expression 1. Can you see those two dots on top of each other? You don't highlight them, okay, and you spell it exactly how they want it, otherwise you'll lose marks, okay. Daily cost, there it is. You click out of it, go back into it, you right click, go to properties, remember, it has to be euros, so we know the format has to be euros. We go there, and euros. You're going to ask me the question, sir, why must it be euros? I'll show you why. You go to the exam paper, go right back to the top of the exam paper, and what did I tell you when I started reading it? Currency value display the euro sign and our 2 decimal places. Okay, so it's euros, 2 decimal places automatic. When we did the course cost data types, we made it euros 2 decimal places, so it should be fine. Okay. Criteria is, what's a criteria? Okay, let's go look what the criteria is. Type is water, residence, yes, duration is 12 days. Okay, so type, you go look for type. What's the criteria for water? There's criteria, there's type, water. Okay, duration was 12 and less. Okay, so make it 13, smaller than 13. And what else was there? Oh yeah, not Scotland. No activities in Scotland. Remember, they're looking for the location, not the activities. Look here. Read your paper properly. It says it. And excludes those activities located in Scotland. Okay? So you can see Scotland's dark. So you know, whichever field Scotland is in, that's where you must go. And Scotland is in the location field, not in the activities field. Read your question and understand what they're asking you, okay? Remember, residential is yes, so we go yes. It's Boolean, yes, no. So there it is, okay? What else do they want? They want us to sort the data. Oh, wait. Shows only the fields. So let's go, yeah. Shows only the fields. They want course code. Do they want activity? Yes. Do they want type? No, so we unclick it. Do they want rating? No, so we untick it. Do they want location? Yes. Do they want residential? Yes. Do they want course cost? Nope. Do they want the duration? Yes. Activity rating? Nope. They want activity, but they don't want activity rating. Level? Yes, they want level. They don't want description. Do they want daily cost? Yes. So there it is. Okay? So that's what they want. Let's close this. It's taking up space. And there's everything. Okay, so you can see what they want. Okay? They want sort the data, send in order of activity and location. So activity, send in, and then location. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so there's everything. Okay, can you see the symbol for not? 2 chevrons. We must be in the design window, and we click run, because this is a runtime environment. Okay, so there it is. It's telling me it's already open, which means I must go and close this table. Okay, back to the design. We've got to be in design to run it. The table is already open by another user. Sometimes it does this. Okay, all you do is you close these weird windows, and then you go back to design and try and run it and see which one it is. And there it is. Is Scotland in your location field? There's no Scotland there. Can you see that? No Scotland. Okay. Activity. Can you see that's all alphabetical and residential? Okay. They said yes for what that was the one criteria. This one is no Scotland, and this one was less than 13. There's no 13 or higher number there. Can you see that? No. So now you know your query is correct. Okay. So once you've done your query, you're going to create a report. It's quite easy. Save it. What name you're going to give it? You go to your exam paper. You have a look. It says, what's the title? Residential water activities is your title. Okay? Can you see it? Report title. So you go here and you put your report, type in your report title there. When you go OK, it'll put it up there. Can you see that? Then what's the next thing it says? It says the report must be page orientation of landscape. Okay, so you go to your report and you go to page setup and you make it landscape. Then you start pulling these in. Make sure that it doesn't look like this. Make sure that you can see the headings properly with all the information inside of it. Okay, and you pull it there and you don't say, oh, it looks cool. No, you go to the right hand side, you take a scroll bar and you scroll down. And you make sure that there's no text wrap in it, okay? All the way down, you see it all fits in there. You're not allowed to do this, not allowed to do this. It's not allowed to have two. Can you see there's two? It must all be in one line. It's known as text wrapping, okay? So no text wrapping, which means everything must be on one line. Okay, so there we go. You can pull this in. You can pull this in. Okay, and you can see how we do it. Okay. Level, and you can pull it in. Okay, so there we go. Does it all look good? There's text wrapping. Can you see that? That's what I said. You've got to look what you do. Okay, and that looks better. Okay, so there it is. What do they want? They want, so that's one of the things. What's the next thing they want? They want calculate the total number in course codes. So they want you to count the records. Number is records. So that's quite cool. You can go here, course code, okay. They want you to count the numbers. So you right click and count. And it'll put it automatically at the bottom. There's 42 records. They don't want this. Say it. And delete that. They didn't tell you to calculate the course cost, okay? Say, there's the number. What else do they want? You have a look at this. Has the label total water code to the right of that count, okay? So they ask you to count the number of records in the report, and they wanted a label there. How do you do that? You go to Home, View, Design View. There's your count. You click on the double A, big A and the small a. You put it in there, and you can see we're having a bit of a problem, so you make it bigger. Grab the A again, put it in there, and you type in what they told you to type in. Okay, how's that? I'm a quick typer. There, total water code. They want your name, student number, and your center number in your page footer. You grab it like that, you pull it down so it's a bit bigger. You go A, you put it in there, and you put it in there, and you go, let me do somebody different. You put your student number in and your center number. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, can you see it? Anything else they want? Okay, center number. Save and print this report. Okay, save. Go back to view, report view. You save it. File. You can save it. Save your database. Say yes. Yes. Okay. Now you saved it. You print it. Okay. And now you want to reprint your report. The screen one, yeah. Okay. There it is. Let's check it again. Make sure everything's fine. Okay. And I'll show you. So there it is. Yeah. Then you go to File, Print, and you print it. Okay. File, Print. Give it a print preview. And then you can do the page setup or you print it. Okay. I've got the old version. You guys have got the newer version. Make sure when you print it, everything's there. Okay. So that is the report and the query. Okay. I'll do the if there's the labels, I'll show you how to do the labels, and I'm going to tell you in my next lesson, I'll tell you how to do an extract. Okay.